Hello guys, today I'll be showing you a secret not everyone knows. So first, start off at Tokyo International Airport. I started off over there. And then after, go to the bridge. At the bridge you're gonna see a secret tunnel that you can go through. So first you gotta maybe fly over here. And then when you're far enough, you could fly over there to the bridge. And then there's the tunnel right there. It might work for you guys. Just try it. And then after, you will see a tunnel over there. Right when you get inside that tunnel, you jump out. So there's a tunnel right there. And right there, jump out. And then after, you'll see something. You get a badge award. And then after, push it. And then there. You got this new plane that not everyone gets to see because they don't know of this hack. And that's it.